Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn on and off saving photos to gallery and journal. Now for those people who do not know what the setting is, let's say I created a new entry and I use the camera icon at the middle of the screen at the bottom. If I click a photo using journal app over here, let's say I click this photo. Now after clicking the photo, if I click on use photo, then what is going to happen is the photo is not going to be saved over here. It is also going to be saved on my phone's gallery. So let's say I don't want that to happen and I don't want the photo taken on my journal app to be saved on my gallery. For that, I need to turn off my saving photo option on journal app. For that, I need to go inside my phone setting and over here on top, search for journal. Once I search for journal, I need to click on it and it's going to bring me over here. From over here, I need to scroll all the way down and where it says save to photos, I need to turn this off. If this is off, the photo is not going to be saved to gallery, but if this is on, the photo is going to be saved on the gallery. So whichever option you like, you can turn it on and off depending on that. So that is how you guys can turn on and off saving photos to photo gallery and journal. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye until then.